And what about, I think it's well over 1 billion people who are not connected at the moment.
Almost 3 billion.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the biggest divides we have between the connected and unconnected. And here we I think we need to recognize we need to close that digital divide. So we at Ericsson, we're investing together with ITU and the UNICEF on actually making sure that we connect all schools in the world by 2030. Because I think unless we close the digital divide, we are going to have a lot of people left behind.
And the privacy of those individuals, how does that stand?
The
privacy of those individuals.
Of course, that's a big question, right? Where data privacy laws will have to be enacted around the world, and they will look somewhat different. And we need, of course, to protect each individual. That's not really the business we are in, but I think there will be new regulation coming here or legislation.
Now, 5G, you've mentioned that already as your priority. What's so special about 5G? Why is it such a step?
5G gives a couple of extra features. I often say it gives 10 times the speed. It gives about 1/10 of the latency or the delay in the network. And it allows you to have more than 100 times as many connected devices on each, whatever surface area. So it gives you unique features that you can't have otherwise. So what it does is it basically, if you think about connecting everything, today most of the problems are that you simply cannot have capacity enough to connect everything. That's why you need 5G.
So this is the Internet of Things, as people call it sometimes.
Yeah.
And how will that affect, for example, the pursuit, international pursuit of net zero and sustainable life?
That's a great question, and actually a very important topic. I think digital technologies are going to be a key contributor to reduce carbon emissions. And we already know today, if you just look at the few industry sectors, so take manufacturing, logistics, mining, we can actually reduce carbon emissions by 15%, 1/5, by just leveraging current technologies. And that's compared to the ICT industry today, contributing with 1.5% of the greenhouse gases. So it's a massive help in actually achieving net zero.